Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome to the Shop 416 channel, the second channel, the Cars Limits channel. On this channel, we're going to be showing you product testing, checking out behind the scenes, one-on-one with some of our friends that have made it in life, and also a few other things that you guys got to stay tuned for that. We're still at Cars Without Limits. I've been just doing a wicked job running it, so I'll let him deal with it some more, and then afterwards, we'll see what happens next. But today, we're testing this wicked product that I've heard a lot of good things on the internet about. And so far, I tried it on my work van and it worked amazing. And also I tried it on one of the wheels on the BMW, and wow, I only spent $4.97 Canadian for scrubbing bubbles. This thing works amazing. You literally just have to apply it onto the car or apply it onto the rim area, and it would do its job in a few minutes. We're using a pressure washer, sorry, to clean it. We're not even scrubbing anything at all. No scrubbing requiring with this product. I have tested out my van. I scrubbed it a little bit. It's shiny, very shiny. I'll show you guys that in a second. But on the other side where I did do it, it was crazy. But I don't want to really show you guys that just yet. We're gonna show you the dirty wheels first. Look at that. Oh geez. Oh geez. The front's always the nastiest. And the one that I did clean, I just literally sprayed it on there. Look how clean that is. Whoa. So we are going to use, I'll show you the work van, whole setup for it. H2O mobile wash. Got our water tank in the back there. Sorry, it's a little dirty. Random bits of grass in here. Don't ask why. We're hustling, guys. And the back of the setup, you guys can see this thing is ready for action. And so I think the best thing about this product, we can just apply it. We don't have to wet the wheels or anything, nothing of that nature. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then I apply a little more, which I probably don't need to, but I do it just in case to see the results on it. So let's start. So first thing first, guys, we're gonna shake up the can, make sure she's ready to go, and then we're gonna apply. Yeah, I like to be generous with my stuff, especially for the price. Can't beat it. One down, two more to go. The bubbles just like activate something. Obviously, some type of wicked cleaner, but it does wonders, guys. This thing is probably one of the coolest products. I see it done on other things, the engine bays of cars. I was like, if it's doing that kind of take out the muck and grind, then it's going to do a lot of things for the wheels. All right, last one, guys. Please let me know if you guys ever use this cleaner or something similar to it, because I was looking at cleaners at Canadian Tire. They're like $11, and I was like, that's kind of it for this. But yeah, the products work. This can is almost done too. I was very generous. We're gonna let it sit for a bit and then come back. All right, guys, it's showtime. We're gonna show you how the left front side is, the left side looks right now. All right, we got everything set up. Show you how you guys are done. I'll show you guys, look at the water running down there. Whoa, this thing is working amazing. You guys can see the comparison from before and after. It's going to be insane. All right, guys, on to the front. Remember how dirty it is, guys. Holy shit, guys, look at how clean these rims are. Remember, we didn't even scrub it. We just applied that substance onto that amazing foam cleaner onto it. You guys can see the difference on this one's gonna be a little hard to show you guys the results, or just so you can see the results, but we're gonna do it. Guys, just like that, the rims are super clean. As you can see, we did not apply any manual labor other than spraying the bottle or spraying the canister onto the wheels and using the power washer to clean it off. We didn't use anything else, and these rims are looking brand new. The best thing about this product, they clean behind the rim, which is very hard to get to, and it can also make you super dirty. Remember, I wash my rims and look the color of my hands, super clean. Usually when you're washing your rims, you get all the nastiness that's built up on your nails, on your skin, bedded for a few days. I do admit, if I actually use some scrubbing, I can probably clean the areas around the lug rims, or lug locks, sorry. But other than that, I'm really surprised and super pleased with the job. Like, you guys can see all the black water that was running down from the rim, so I already knew it was doing a great job. And honest to God, if you were to do this, like, it saved me half the time. If you were to do this yourself, it would probably, the like manual scrub behind the wheel with your typical brushes or whatever tools you use for it, it would probably take you a good like 20, 30, 40 minutes to clean all the rims properly, depending on how long you spend on each rim. 5 to 10, 15, 20 minutes, depending on it. We're gonna go around, I'll show you guys everything. Holy. Very, very happy. I'm very happy with the result. It's honestly craziness. And I was just like, let me try this product and see if it does any justice for it. And today was the day. You guys see how shiny these rims are. So I'm gonna show you guys the product again. This is scrubbing bubbles. This is the, like, literally everywhere. This is, you can get this anywhere, literally at all your major retailers, even price side places, convenience stores, smallest general stores, ranging probably from $3.50 to like $6-7, depending on the retailer. But this is the wildest spray. Yeah, this is amazing. Like, I'm pretty shocked how everything went with this, and I just tried it out. I know some of you guys have probably know about this secret and it's keeping yourself, but today we are showing everybody how to keep your rims clean on a budget without spending too much time and energy on it. But guys, that is it for this video. Stay tuned for more. We're gonna do more stuff. We're gonna talk more about this car. This car is temporarily down, which sucks. I do love this car very much. We're gonna get more detail about this car. It's 2019, or sorry, I wish, 2013 BMW M5 with 195,000 kilometers on it. And I'm thinking it's definitely the probably highest kilometer M5 in Ontario, perhaps in Canada. Got a wicked deal with it. But anyways, we're gonna talk more of that in the next video. Thank you guys for joining in. Make sure you subscribe to this video or to this channel, and also check out the CarsZone channel. A lot of great content going on there. Have a great day, guys. Peace.